Okay, so now the name of setup which we are going to discuss is master candle setup. Okay, today I will show you what is master candle setup, and based on this setup, how you guys can trade Nifty and Bank Nifty. Even you can trade stocks as per master candle setup. So some of you might have attended this master candle setup. So you can re-attend this now. And in second half, we will discuss everything about gap down opening. So without wasting any time, let me give you the quick introduction here, what exactly master candle is. So here is the definition of master candle on your screen. A candle is known as master or mother candle when its high and low covers at least next 3 to 4 candles high and low. Now, guys, to explain this definition, I have a master candle image with me. Now, look at this big bullish candle. Now, here, what I have done, I have taken one horizontal line at the high of this candle. Okay, one horizontal line you can see at the low of this candle. Now, look at the next 4 candles. You can see next 4 candles are inside this big bullish candle. Now, when you see these 4 candles very carefully, you will come to know they are very small in size. Therefore, we can say these all are baby candles, and this candle is known as mother candle or master candle because this candle is covering next 4 baby candles. So remember guys, in order to call this candle as a mother candle or master candle, minimum, I will say minimum, next 3 baby candles must fall inside this candle. Okay, then only we will say yes, this is master candle or mother candle. Now when we are trading Nifty or Bank Nifty in live market, see, we want very first candle as a master candle. Okay, this is the strict rule you have to follow. On 15 minutes time frame, the very first candle of the day has to be master candle. Now, how you will come to know the very first candle is master candle? You need to look at next 3 candles. If next 3 candles are inside first candle of the day on 15 minutes time frame, this means this is master candle setup. Now let's quickly discuss how we can take a trade as per this setup. See, price is moving inside master candle. Price is unable to break master candle high. Price is unable to break master candle low. Price is just moving inside master candle. This is known as consolidation. We will initiate a trade once price break master candle high or master candle low. If price break master candle high, we can go for a long trade. Stop loss master candle low. If price break low of master candle, we can go for a short trade. Stop loss master candle high. Now let's talk about target. What can be your target? See, for target, you need to calculate range of master candle. Now, how to calculate range of any candle? Candle high minus candle low. Master candle high minus master candle low. Okay, this will give you master candle range. Now let's assume 100 is the high, 90 is the low. So 100 minus 90, range is 10 points. If price break 100 on upside, your target will be 110. Master candle high plus master candle range is your target. Master candle high 100, range we got 10 points. So 100 plus 10 points. Okay, 110 is your target on upside. In the same way, if price break 90 on downside, your target will be 80. Master candle low minus master candle range is your target. Master candle low 90, range we got 10 points. So 90 minus 10, 80 will be your target on short side. So guys, this is how you need to trade this master candle setup. Any doubts if you have, you can ask in chat box, I will answer. If concept is clear to all of you, I will request just type clear in chat box so that we can move ahead. Just a minute, guys. Okay, Harish sir, I will explain the target definitely once again. Okay, Mr. Vasus, yes, as of now, you can take it 1:1. In coming slides, we will try to improve risk reward ratio. Okay, Karthik sir, you can wait for some more slides. You will get more clarity on this. Okay, so guys, those who are asking me to repeat once again, what I will do, I will repeat this entire setup in coming slides. See, this was all about theory. Okay, till now, whatever I've said, this was all about theory. Now let me show you some real life examples. Okay, this will give you more clarity about this setup. See, this is Bank Nifty. Meanwhile, focus on the graph which I'm showing to you. At the end of session, what I will do, I will pick some recent examples and will discuss with you, because still I need to explain some important points. So focus on the graph which I'm showing you. So this is Bank Nifty index. Okay, time frame you can check. This is 15 minutes time frame. Now just focus on first candle. Just look at the first candle. Now look at the next three candles. You can see next three candles are inside first candle. Now second candle wick is crossing first candle wick. So that's completely okay. See, as long as second candle is closing inside first candle. Okay, so this second candle will be termed as baby candle only. And this first candle will be called as master candle or mother candle. So this is first candle. Next three candles you can see they are inside. So now you can say this very first candle of the day is master candle or mother candle. Now next step, what you need to do, you need to calculate range of this master candle. How to calculate range? High minus low. Now when you do this calculation, high minus low, you will get range 248 points. This means after market opening, in very first 15 minutes, we got 248 points move in Bank Nifty. Now this 248 points move is a very big move. Okay, given that you got this move in first 15 minutes only. And therefore you can see how price is moving after that. Price is moving completely sideways inside first candle. So these all are baby candles you can see. So this is called as consolidation. Why price is consolidating or why price is moving completely sideways? Because in first 15 minutes only you got very big move, 248 points move. Now before price give you any other move, you can say price is taking some rest. So these all are baby candles inside master candle. And finally here you can see we got breakout. Now we want breakout on closing basis. So wait for candle to get close. Okay, do not take entry in running candle. Wait for candle to get close. Once this breakout candle will close, we will take long trade. Now what will be the target for your long trade? See, target will be master candle high plus master candle range. So 21,221 plus 248 points. 21,469 is your target, which was achieved in this candle. So this was two candles trade after breakout. Now let me count the number of baby candles for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See, we have 15 baby candles inside master candle. Now every candle is having a duration of 15 minutes. So if you do 15 into 15, this was 225 minutes long consolidation, and finally we got breakout in 16th candle. So guys, I can say this was healthy consolidation. By healthy consolidation, I mean from morning till 1:30 or 2 p.m. price was just moving inside master candle. Now, whenever you see this kind of consolidation, okay, this is known as healthy consolidation. I have seen that breakdowns works well after healthy consolidation. Another important point you can note down here, this gap area. On this day, we got gap up opening. Opening was above PDH, that is previous day high. Now, whenever you see master candle setup after gap up or gap down opening, you can take a trade. Very high chances trade can work in your favor. So guys, as a trader, you don't have to trade each and every master candle coming in your way. You need to filter out, okay, which master candle you will trade, which master candle you will avoid. So 2 points will help you. So point number 1, you can look for healthy consolidation. Point number 2, you can look for gap up, gap down opening. Now, even if you are meeting any 1 point, okay, out of 2, you can take a trade. So this was the one important note. If you are meeting any 1 point out of 2, you can take a trade. Now, in previous example, you can check we are meeting both the points. We got healthy consolidation. We also got gap up opening. Now let's quickly discuss where to place stop loss. See, while explaining theory, I told you when you are going for a long trade, your stop loss will be master candle low. But now we can refine this stop loss to improve risk reward ratio. So we will not keep master candle low as stop loss. We can refine it to improve our risk reward ratio. Now this is same graph Bank Nifty, which we just discussed now. In this slide, I will discuss how we can decide stop loss. See, for stop loss, you need to read price action very carefully. So here is the first candle. You can check master candle. After that, you can see price came down. Look at the low of this candle, 20,975. From here, you can see price went up. Again, it came down. Low this time is 21,077. Now this will be termed as higher low. See, this value is more than previous low. So this will be termed as higher low. From here, again, you can see price went up, came down. Now this time, the new higher low, you can see it is 21,127. After this candle, price went completely flat sideways. Low of this candle, 21,124. Now these two values, they are almost same, and finally breakout. This breakout candle closed at 21,281. So take long entry here and keep stop loss 21,124. So guys, point to note down here is when you are going for a long trade, your stop loss can be higher low. See, this was initial low. This became higher low. Now this is the new higher low. So this is entry 21,281. This is stop loss 21,124. And this is target 21,469. So this is your complete setup to trade in index. So please remember, for all long trades, what you can do, you can follow higher low as your stop loss. Now next, I have Nifty example to show you. This is Nifty on 15 minutes time frame. Look at this candle. This is the first candle of the day. Now look at the next 3 candles. Again, you can see next 3 candles are inside first candle. Okay, this means first candle is master candle. Now next step, you need to calculate range of master candle. Okay, here you can see the range is 72 points. So these all are baby candles inside master candle. So this was long consolidation phase. And finally, here you can see we got big breakdown. Now this is very strong bearish candle. You can see by looking at this candle, you can say bears are active. So guys, at the time of breakout or breakdown, make sure candle is very strong. Okay, it should look like strong breakdown or breakout as the case is. So this is short trade. In this candle, you can see short trade is triggered. Now before this candle, see price was trying to break master candle low, but it completely failed. Finally, it succeeded in this candle. So this candle break and closed below master candle low. So short trade is triggered here. Now what will be the target for short trade? See, target will be 9089 minus 72 points. 9017 target, which was achieved in this candle. So this was 4 candles trade after breakdown. Now let's quickly discuss where to place stop loss when you are going for a short trade. So this was master candle. Initially, you can see Nifty went up, made a high 9156. From here, price came down up to this candle. Again, it went up, made a new high 9113. Now this will be termed as lower high. See, this value is less than previous high. So this is lower high. And finally, here you can see we got breakdown. Breakdown candle closed at 9067. So take short entry here. Keep stop loss 9113. So guys, point to note down here is when you are going for a short trade, your stop loss can be lower high. For long trade, it was higher low. For short trade, it will be lower high. So this is entry, this is stop loss, and this is the target. So please remember, for all short trades, what you can do, you can follow lower high as your stop loss. Now this is interesting slide to show you Nifty 15 minutes time frame. Look at the first candle, big bullish candle. This is master candle. And after that, see what happened. Throughout the day, price was completely sideways. No trading opportunity on this day. See, till last candle, price is just moving inside master candle. So some trading sessions can be like this. You will not get any trading opportunity. Okay, once again, Nifty 15 minutes time frame. This is the first candle. Now this time we have a big bearish candle. Range you can check 77 points. Look at the gap area. So on this day we got gap down opening. Nifty opened below PDL, previous day low, and straight away it went down 77 points. Now again 77 points is a big move. Okay, given that you got this move in first 15 minutes only. Therefore you can see how price is moving after that, completely sideways. Just look at all these candles, very small, tiny baby candles you can see. So by looking at all these candles, you can say, yes, consolidation is going on. Why price is consolidating? Again, same reason. You got very big move in first candle only. So before price give you any further move, it is taking some rest, you can say. And this is healthy consolidation. You can note down. Up to 2 p.m., price is just moving inside master candle. So there is no major action after first 15 minutes. Finally, you can see we are getting breakdown, and then very quick 77 points move we got on downside. So I always prefer consolidation like this, because I have seen breakouts, breakdowns works really well after healthy consolidation. Now guys, apart from index, okay, if you wish, you can also practice this setup in stocks. See, this is Indigo 15 minutes time frame. This is the first candle, master candle, range 42 points. Look at the consolidation, healthy consolidation. You are getting breakout after 2 p.m. and target within 2 candles. So even for stocks, okay, healthy consolidation is must. Same setup now you can note down in PVR. Okay, this is master candle. This is healthy consolidation. Look at the breakout candle, very strong bullish breakout, convincing breakout. By looking at this breakout, I can say, yes, bulls are active now. After this breakout, we got target in 3 candles. Now let's take some recent examples to discuss with you. See, this is Nifty 15 minutes time frame. Date you can note down at bottom, 19, 20, 21. Now I want you guys to identify on which date can you see master candle in Nifty out of 19, 20, 21. Okay, I will request now, be interactive. Do reply in chat box. Let me see if you can identify this setup on graph. In Nifty, on which date, guys, can you see master candle setup out of 19, 20, 21? Okay, so we have a setup on 20th. Okay, not on 19th. Arun Kumar sir, you can try once again. So this was the first candle on 20th. Now same point, guys, you can note down, which we have discussed in every slide till now. Look at the big fall in first 15 minutes. This was 90 points fall on that day in first 15 minutes only. And therefore you can see what happened. Price went completely sideways up to 2 p.m. So this was healthy consolidation. After 2 p.m., you can see you are getting trending move, one side move. This was very quick 100 points fall on downside. So this is very common pattern. You can always note down this in live market. In first 15 minutes, you will get a big move either on downside or on upside. And then price will turn completely sideways till 2 p.m. After 2 p.m., you will get trending move. Now this trending move can be on downside. This trending move can be on upside. Around 1:30 European markets open. So sentiments again change one more time during the day. Okay, now this is very recent, last month example only, Bank Nifty. 15 minutes time frame, date you can check 13th and 14th July. So guys, on which date can you see this setup? out of 13, 14? Perfect. So here we have a setup on both days, 13th as well as 14th. You can look at the graph very carefully. You will find setup on both days, 13th as well as 14th. First, we will focus on 13th. What happened on 13th? Gap up opening. You can clearly see the gap on graph. So this was gap up opening, and first candle, you can see this is master candle. Now look at the consolidation for next 7 candles. This was very tight consolidation. You can see 7 baby candles. Smaller the baby candles, more tight is the consolidation, and bigger can be the move after that. So after tight consolidation, you can see we got nice up move. Same thing you can note down next day, a big fall in first 15 minutes, then very tight consolidation for next 4 candles. And look at this breakout, very strong, convincing breakout. Now, even though you do not have healthy consolidation, but when you are having very strong, convincing breakout, take a risk and go for a trade. Very high chances trade can work in your favor. Berger paints. Now here we will also discuss entry point, and we will also discuss stop loss. So this setup we got in the month of June, okay, 22nd June. First candle you can see, this is master candle. Now tell me guys where to enter. In which candle you will take entry? Let's see. Where to enter and where to keep stop loss. Okay, which candle high we will keep stop loss, and in which candle we will take entry. Okay, you can count from here. This is first candle. Okay, perfect. So if you are counting from first candle, then 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, fifth candle we will take entry. Now, what will be the stop loss? For stop loss, you need to look for swing high. Okay, which candle high we will keep stop loss? You need to read price action properly for stop loss. Perfect. Fourth candle. So price is coming down. Again, it is moving up. So this candle made a high. So this can be your stop loss. Perfect. In this candle, we got entry. This candle high is my stop loss. Again, you can see one more time price went up and again it came down. So look at the structure. What structure is forming? Price is forming lower top. Okay, this was the top, went up, made a lower top, again came down, went up. Now again, this is new lower top. And look at this strong fall. This is very strong bearish candle. And from here, you can see we got nice short trade. Same setup now you can notice in IGL. This is master candle, consolidation, breakdown. Again, you can see now this is very strong breakdown. Low and close of this candle is exactly same. Candle do not have any lower wick. So this was very strong breakdown. And from here, one side move you can note down. Axis Bank, you can note down here, 8th July. A big bullish candle with high volume activity. This was master candle. Now, many traders might have gone trapped in this candle only because you can see a complete reversal from second candle. Infosys, you can check here. This was the master candle and the counter was one side on this day. So tell me guys how this session is going on. Are you getting something new to learn in this session? Okay, great. Thank you guys. So this was all about master candle setup. So let me summarize all important points, okay, which you need to remember as a trader to trade master candle setup. So again, I will say guys, as a trader, you don't have to trade every master candle coming in your way. Okay, you need to filter out which master candle you will trade, which master candle you will avoid. So these are the three filters. Okay, you need to remember. You can always look for healthy consolidation inside master candle. Second filter, you can look for gap up, gap down opening. So after gap up or gap down opening, you are getting master candle setup, you can take a trade. Point number three, at the time of breakout or breakdown, okay, make sure candle is very strong. It should look like convincing breakout or breakdown. Now, even if you are meeting any one point out of three, okay, you can take a trade. Now you have learned this setup for the first time. So my request will be do forward testing. Okay, before trading any new learning in live market, always do forward testing. Okay, always use small account risk to practice this setup. And gradually what you can do, you can slowly and gradually you can scale up once you gain confidence. Any doubts, any queries, guys? If you have regarding master candle setup, you can post in chat box. I will answer. So here I have finished first part of the webinar. If you have any query, I will first resolve that query and then we will start second half of this webinar. Okay, so I'm assuming you don't have any query. So let's move to second part of this webinar. See, now what we will do, we will discuss everything about gap down opening. Okay, Mr. Aman, see, master candle setup works really well on 15 minutes time frame. So as of now, you can focus only on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so guys, let's move ahead now. So we will discuss about gap down opening. So what is gap down opening? Why share price open gap down? After opening gap down, will it sustain? And as a trader, how we can plan short trade on the day of gap down opening. And last, we will also discuss how to scan stocks in which there is a gap down opening. Now, gap down opening basically means opening price is below previous day low price. So let's say, for example, yesterday low was 100 rupees and today price directly open at 97. So this is called as full gap down opening. Now, why share price open gap down? Maybe because of some negative news, some negative development in that counter. Because of that, we got gap down opening. Now, after opening gap down, there are two possibilities. Okay, either price will sustain gap down or it will not sustain. So how to recognize this as a trader? So we will also discuss this one. If price is about to sustain this gap down opening, then how to plan a short trade? This we will discuss. So here is the important slide, how to decide in 5 minutes time frame if price will sustain gap down opening. See, in 5 minutes time frame, guys, what you need to do, you need to focus on first candle. Okay, for gap down opening, we are using 5 minutes time frame. On 5 minutes time frame, if first candle is having open equal to high formation, after opening gap down, if first candle is having open equal to high formation, then very high chances this gap down is likely to sustain and we will plan short trade. If there is no open equal to high formation, then again gap down is not likely to sustain. So this is one very important point as a trader you need to remember. So we want gap down opening and then we also want open equal to high formation on 5 minutes time frame. First candle must have open equal to high. Open equal to high indicates there is a selling pressure. So even after opening gap down, price is not crossing opening price. So this confirm that bears are very strong. So that's why open equal to high rule is very important. I'm sure you might have heard this open equal to high, but how to use it in a right way, you are learning today. So these are the conditions to take short trade. Okay, two simple conditions. So number one, we want gap down opening. Number two, we want open equal to high formation. That's it. If you are getting these two conditions, you can take short trade. Now, how to take short trade? For that, you need to follow system rules. So here are the three rules in front of you. Take short trade if price break first candle low in 5 minutes time frame. First candle high will be your stop loss and target will be range of first candle. So all these 3 points I will explain you with the help of example. And then we will also discuss position sizing. Okay, risk management. How many number of shares you can go short? See, as a trader, first of all, you don't have to use leverage. You need to decide position sizing, okay, based on your risk taking capacity. So as per your risk taking capacity, that many number of shares you should short. Do not directly jump to futures and options where you have to deal in lot size. So always first practice in cash segment, and slowly and gradually you can scale up. So the best part of trading in cash segment is you can actually decide how many shares you like to buy or how many shares you like to sell. So this is Bata example. Okay, we got gap down opening in Bata India on 19th April. Okay, look at the time frame. This is 5 minutes time frame, and this was the previous trading session. And low made by Bata India in previous trading session was 1313. 19th April, you can see we got gap down opening. This is the very first candle. First candle is big bearish candle without upper wick. Now, if candle is bearish and candle do not have upper wick, okay, this indicates open equal to high. Look at the opening price 1312. So there was a small gap down opening. Previous day low was 1313, and today opening you can see it is 1312.25. So small gap down opening and then open equal to high formation. Now how to take a short trade? Go short below first candle low. Okay, first candle high is your stop loss. And what will be the target? Target will be range of first candle. How to calculate range of any candle? Simple. Candle low minus candle high. So you will get range of a candle. So take short trade below first candle low, first candle high stop loss. Target will be range of first candle. Now in coming slides, again, I will show you how you can revise your stop loss. So at the time of taking trade, your stop loss will be always first candle high. And then later on, you can trail your stop loss, you can modify your stop loss and improve your risk reward ratio. First candle low, you can check here 1295. So take short trade below 1295 with a stop of 1312. So this is 17 points. I can see the difference from top to bottom. So range of first candle is almost 17 points. Go short below 1295, stop 1312. So your target will be 17 points on downside. So 1295 minus 17 points. Okay, your target will be 1277. In this candle, you can see our target is achieved. Now let's discuss position sizing. Okay, how many number of shares you can short? So this position sizing is very important. This is called as money management, or you can call this as a risk management. So there are 3 steps to decide position sizing. Step number 1, you need to decide trade risk. Now trade risk means if this trade is not working in your favor, if in this trade stop loss is hit, so how much we will lose, how many points we will lose. So that is called as trade risk. So simple formula to calculate trade risk is entry price minus stop loss. So this is the case of Bata India again. So here we are taking short trade below 1295 and 1312 is our stop loss. So trade risk is 17 points. Okay, you can check here. We are taking short trade below 1295 with a stop of 1312. So if this trade is not working in my favor, I will lose 17 points. So this is my trade risk. So this is step number 1. Step number 2, you need to decide account risk. Now, what is account risk? Let me tell you the thumb rule of portfolio management. So let's say if you have a trading capital of rupees 1 lakh. Now, generally it is said that as a trader, you should not bet 1% to 2% in one trade. As a trader, your maximum risk should be 2% of your trading capital in one trade. So as a trader, your trading capital is 1 lakh. What will be the 2% of 1 lakh? It will be 2000. So in this trade, you should not take more than 2000 rupees risk. So that will be termed as account risk. Now, let's say your trading capital is very small. You do not have 1 lakh as your trading capital. Then you have to decide manually how much risk you are willing to take. 500 rupees risk, 1000 rupees risk, and so on. So in this example, I have assumed we are taking 1000 rupees risk. If this trade is not working in my favor, I don't want to lose more than 1000 rupees. So this is my account risk. Now, step 3, you need to calculate position sizing. So here is the formula to calculate position sizing. Account risk divided by trade risk. Account risk 1000, trade risk 17 points. So when you do this calculation, you will get answer as 58 shares. So in this trade, you should short only 58 shares. If this trade is not working in your favor, you will lose 17 points. So with 58 shares in hand, your total loss will be 1000. So as a trader, loss will be predefined for you. And in this way, you can control your emotions. Now look at the second example, Mahindra and Mahindra. We got this setup on 12th April. Look at the big gap on graph. So this was the gap down opening. And look at the first candle. Now in first candle, we do not have open equal to high. Okay, open and high both are not ditto same. Here you can check opening was 775.25, high was 775.60. So open and high, you can see they were very close to each other. So almost you can say, yes, this was open equal to high formation. So go short below first candle low, keep first candle high as your stop loss, and target is range of your first candle. Simple. So in this example, you can see short trade will trigger below 761 with stop 775, target 747. Now let's try to understand how we can revise our stop loss. So again, at the time of taking trade, you will take trade below first candle low, and first candle high is your stop loss. And after some time, you can see the trade is working in your favor. So you can trail your stop loss. Okay, so let's see if any one of you can tell me from first candle high where we can trail stop loss. Okay, do type in chat box if you guys can decide how to trail stop loss. While taking trade, your initial stop loss will be always first candle high. Once trade is going in your favor, you can start trailing stop loss. So you need to look for swing highs. So you can check here from first candle, again price went up. So this candle high can be your trailing stop loss. So from first candle high, you can trail stop loss to this candle high. In this way, even if this trade gets failed, you will exit with minimum loss. So trailing stop loss is also very important once trade is going in your favor. So as this is a short trade, so you need to look for swing highs. So I can see this is the lower top. From this top, now this is the new lower top. So this candle high can be your stop loss. Okay, Axis Bank, same pattern you can see. A gap, after gap down, open equal to high formation. Take short trade below first candle low, first candle high stop loss. Target range of first candle. In third candle, you are getting target. So this was very quick trade. Range was very small, only 3.25 was the range. So some trades will be very quick. Within 10 to 15 minutes, you will get the target. Bharti Airtel, first candle open equal to high formation, gap down opening. Take short trade below first candle low, first candle high stop loss. In 2 candles, we got target on 5 minutes time frame. Okay, now this is the failed trade. See, in this case, what happens? Stop loss hit. So again, Infosys, nice setup, gap down opening, open equal to high formation. Everything was perfect. Short trade was also triggered. But suddenly you can see price took U-turn and our stop loss was hit. So some trades can be like this. So that's why position sizing, risk management, money management is very important. Now, how to look for all these stocks in morning? So this is the scanner I have designed. Okay, I will share this scanner with you in chat box. You can look at the chat box. You can run this scanner at 9:20 in morning. Okay, trading will start at 9:15. We are using 5 minutes time frame. So you need to run scanner at 9:20. Okay, you can check the chat box. I have shared the link of scanner with you. This scanner is also included in PPT. So what I will do, I will share this PPT to all of you in WhatsApp group. Now let me show you some recent example on this setup. Okay, gap down opening. Okay, just a minute. We will discuss now some recent example on gap down opening. Okay, before that, how to run scanner. Okay, I like to show you how you guys can run this scanner. So click on the link, okay, which I have given to you. After that, what you need to do, you just need to click on run scan. That's it. When you click on run scan, okay, scanner will give you the list of stocks in which there is a setup. Okay, so yesterday we got gap down opening. So you can see we have too many stocks which are coming. And from these stocks, okay, I will pick Manappuram Finance example. Now this is very rare scenario. You are getting, 14 stocks. Normally you will not get 14 list of, 14 stocks. There will be hardly 1 or 2 stocks as per this setup. So yesterday, why we are getting so many stocks? Because there were major gap down opening yesterday in index. So that's why you are getting too many stocks. Usually there will be only 1 or 2 stocks if this setup is meeting. So we will discuss now Manappuram Finance. You can check here. Look at the first candle. This is 5 minutes time frame, Manappuram Finance. First candle you can see after opening gap down, open equal to high formation. So this means gap down is likely to sustain. What you can do now, you can take short trade below low of first candle. Okay, go short below low of first candle. In this candle, your trade is triggered. Initial stop loss will be first candle high. Okay, so from here you can see price went up, made a lower top, and again it went down. So later on, what you can do, you can trail your stop loss from first candle high to this candle high. You can trail your stop loss. Okay, so I will go in past and we will try to identify same setup in Manappuram Finance. Let's see if you can identify same setup in Manappuram Finance. Okay, so guys, can you see setup in Manappuram Finance on which date you can see? Now try to identify on which date you got gap down opening with open equal to high formation. Is there any setup? If yes, on which date? Perfect. We got setup on 11th. So this was the setup. First candle low, go short, and you can see one side trade we are getting. Okay, let's go back and again check if we have a setup. Any setup, guys, again, if you can identify. Perfect. On 9th, you can see this was the 9th. And again, you can see same setup we got. So in this month, this counter has given 3 trading opportunity. Every time it worked very well. After gap down opening, just look for open equal to high formation. That's it. Now let's do some more study. Okay, why this pattern worked on 9th August? Okay, let's try to do the in-depth analysis. So for that, what I will do, I will change the time frame on 1 hour. Okay, from 5 minutes, I'm coming to 1 hour time frame just to show you why this setup worked on 9th of August. So as a trader, apart from setup, you guys need to pay attention to other points as well. So if you look for some additional points, okay, this will give you more confidence to initiate a trade. Okay, just a minute. Okay. So this is hourly time frame, Manappuram Finance, and this was the 9th August. We got set up on 5 minutes time frame. Now before 9th August, you can see what this counter was doing. Okay, these points which I'm explaining you, this will give you more confidence to take a trade if you are getting this kind of setup. So before 9th August, you can see Manappuram Finance was completely sideways on hourly time frame. This counter was taking support very close to 205. On upside, 215 was resistance. So this was 10 points band. Price was moving in this 10 points range. And see what happened on 9th August. You got gap down opening. Opening was below yesterday low. Look at what was the yesterday low. It was 206. And today we got opening at 205.30. So this was the support breakdown with a gap and open equal to high formation. And it worked very well after that. So since then, from 9th August, since then, this counter is in downtrend. And that's why you can see you are getting this kind of setup. So till date, we have got 3 opportunities in this counter. So all these points will help you a lot to initiate a trade. So do not just look on the setup. Try for looking at these points. Any doubt, any queries, guys? If you have, you can ask in chat box. So how was this setup, guys? Okay, for gap up, chart trading is same and also different also. See, for gap up, we have a two setups. Now, usually on some days, gap up will sustain, on some days, gap up will not sustain. So we have a two setups to trade gap up opening. If gap up is likely to sustain, we go for a short, we go for a long trade. And if gap up is not likely to sustain, we plan for a short trade. So trading gap up is a bit different from how we are trading gap down. ओके अमन सर, देखिए अगर आपको बैंक निफ्टी का ऑप्शन ट्रेड करना है तो यू नीड टू हैव अ सेटअप, प्रॉपर सेटअप. अगर एक सेटअप होगा तो ही आप ट्रेड कर पाओगे यूजिंग ऑप्शंस. सो विदाउट सेटअप यू जस्ट नॉट ट्रेड. तो जैसे मैंने यहाँ पर आपको बताया एंट्री कब करनी है, स्टॉप लॉस क्या लगाना है, टारगेट क्या होना चाहिए, तो ऐसा सेटअप आपके पास होना चाहिए. यू कैन ट्रेड ऑप्शंस यूजिंग मास्टर कैंडल सेटअप. यू कैन परचेस एटीएम ऑप्शन एंड टेक अ ट्रेड. मास्टर कैंडल अगर आपको लॉन्ग ट्रेड दे रहा है तो यू कैन बाय कॉल ऑप्शन, एटीएम कॉल ऑप्शन आफ्टर ब्रेकआउट. If you are getting short trade, you can buy put option, ATM put option after breakdown. Without setup, do not trade in option. Only moving average will not help you. See, moving average will work best if price is in trend. वही टाइम पे आपको मूविंग एवरेज एक अच्छा ट्रेड दे सकते हैं, अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट गेट very good trade only based on moving average. So this is the indicator, again moving average. You need to use this indicator with price action. So in this way you can increase winning probability. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, so guys, this was all about today's webinar. So we have discussed how you can trade Nifty, Bank Nifty based on master candle setup, how you guys can trade on the day of gap down opening. So after opening gap down, we must have open equal to high formation, and then you can go for a short trade. And also you can look for some additional points which we discussed in Manappuram Finance. If there is a support breakdown and then you are getting this kind of setup, then winning probability will increase. So scanner I have also given you, you can scan stocks in which there is a gap down opening with open equal to high formation. So you can run scanner at 9:20 every day. At 9:20 in morning you can run scanner. Now guys, if you have really liked, okay, these two setups, see these two setups I have picked from my stock trading secrets program. So this is the 4 days program we conduct. Day 2 and day 4, okay, I discussed master candle setup. But on day 4, I discussed revised version of master candle setup. I have further improvised the master candle setup, which I have taught to you in this webinar. I have placed some additional filters to master candle, like open equal to low, open equal to high. I have further revised stop loss to improve risk reward ratio. So that we discussed on day 4. So day 1, how to trade gap up opening. Day 2, how to trade gap down opening. This we have discussed completely today here. Day 3, how to do trend analysis, how to do pivot point analysis. Now, based on these two analysis, how you can trade rejection candle setup. Now, this is also an intraday trading setup. You guys can trade options also as per this setup. And day 4, I will discuss further improvised version of master candle setup. So this is complete program called stock trading secrets from day 1 to day 4. So we are starting this new batch from tomorrow. If anyone is interested, you guys can attend live session for next 4 days. You will also get recordings and PPTs plus scanners with lifetime access. Now to enroll, fees is actually 3,000 rupees before discount. But today we are offering this program for just 1,000 rupees. On enrollment, you will also get 4 days index trading program as a bonus, which is worth rupees 3,000. Now in index trading program, you will learn intraday option buying and weekly expiry option selling strategy. Okay, so this program we will focus only on Nifty, Bank Nifty, how you guys can trade options. And this program we are giving you as a bonus today. So here you can see the content. On day 1, you will learn how to trade Bank Nifty on 5 minutes time frame. Day 2, you will learn intraday option buying setup for both indices, Nifty, Bank Nifty. Day 3, we will discuss option writing setup. Now, this is expiry special setup. We designed this setup in Bank Nifty every Thursday to earn theta decay. Day 4, again, intraday option buying setup you will learn for both indices, Nifty, Bank Nifty. So this is the content of bonus program which you are getting. So in 1000 rupees, guys, you are getting total 2 programs today. Okay, one program will focus on stocks. Okay, this will be the live for next 4 days. Other program is bonus for you, where you can learn how you can trade index in intraday. Yes, PPT of this webinar I will share in WhatsApp group. Okay, the group which we have created. तो उस ग्रुप में आपको मिल जाएगा in some time. You can check. I will share this PPT. So guys, if anyone is interested, you can enroll. These are the payment methods. Fees is just 1000 rupees, one of the best offer we are providing today. In 1000, you are getting total 2 programs. One program will be stock trading secrets, focus on stocks. Other program will be bonus for you, index trading program. Now, if anyone is interested in option writing, okay, we have a program on option writing. In option writing, we basically discuss straddles. Now, the best part of learning straddle is you don't have to do any graph analysis. You don't have to predict where Nifty, Bank Nifty will move. You don't have to be active all day long from morning 9:15 till 3:30. So these are the some advantages you will get when you learn how you can implement straddle in live market. Okay, we discuss short straddle for next 4 days in this program. In case you are wondering what straddle is, straddle basically means selling call option, put option at the same time. The word straddle basically means having 2 legs in your position. So one leg will be call option, other leg will be put option. So when you are selling both the legs at the same time, so the word is short straddle. On day 1, we will discuss how you can design intraday straddle, intraday short straddle in Nifty, and this is completely back tested. Win rate is 76%. So all backtesting result will also share with you. Day 2, we will discuss Nifty positional short straddle. Now this is expiry day straddle. Okay, day 1, we basically take position only on every Thursday, and this is positional. Here what we will do, we will take position 1 day before expiry, that is on every Wednesday, and we will exit on Thursday. So the win rate of positional straddle is 84%. Day 3, we will discuss Bank Nifty positional straddle. Now here you can read this win rate as 80%, 80, not 84. In Bank Nifty, we take position every Monday and we exit on Thursday. So this is positional straddle. We have added day 4 also. On day 4, what we will do, we will discuss Nifty daily intraday straddle. So let's say if you wish to trade daily from Monday to Friday, so we have a daily intraday short straddle. After this webinar, guys, you will also get 2 months live market support. Okay, I will make you trade live every Wednesday, every Thursday based on straddle. So 2 months live market support we are providing. So guys, anyone is interested to enroll for both the programs, so fees will be just 2000 rupees. Now actual fees is 6000, but today's offer for both programs is only 2000 with 2 months live market support. And as I told you, on enrollment, you will also get one program as a bonus worth rupees 3000. Okay, index trading program we are giving you as a bonus. So either you can join for one program or you can join for 2 programs. Depend on your requirement. Okay, capital requirement for positional straddle. For Nifty, it will be around 50,000. For Bank Nifty, it will be 70,000, 70. For intraday short straddle, it will be 40,000 for Nifty. So to trade straddle in Nifty index in intraday, 40,000 capital requirement. For positional, 50,000. For Bank Nifty positional, 70,000. Any doubts, any queries, guys, you can ask in chat box. I will answer. Yes, everything you will get in group, okay, in WhatsApp group. I hope you are there in group, Mr. Dweep Soni. So there I will share PPT, there I will share recording. So this is one of the best offer, guys, we are offering today. If you are joining both the programs, then total fees is just 2,000 rupees. And with this, you are also getting index trading program as a bonus. Okay, so this training we are starting from tomorrow. Okay, timing will be 9 p.m. Okay, so we have a late evening batch available. In case you want any day timing, then 1 p.m. batch we have, afternoon batch. You can also attend in day timing. So 1 p.m. batch and 9 p.m. batch. Yes, so it will be in English. If you are looking for Hindi language, do let me know. We also have training programs in Hindi language. So those who are interested, you guys can book your spot. For stock trading secrets, 1,000. For option writing, again 1,000. Total will be 2,000. Index trading program, we are giving you as a bonus today. Santosh sir, you can update me on WhatsApp. Okay, after enrolling, guys, what you can do, you can update me on this number, 9860770253. Okay, so this number is available on WhatsApp. So after enrollment, just ping me on this number with your name and batch time. Okay, Uday sir, yes, you can pay via credit card. I will share the link with you. So just tell me you are joining one program or both the programs. So accordingly, I share the link with you. Yes, Hindi webinar is available. So after enrollment, okay, just update me on this number, your name, your batch time, and language, Hindi or English. You can update all these details here. On enrollment, guys, we will give you the immediate access on both the programs. You can start watching and learn and start watching videos and learning. From tomorrow, we will start live sessions. So meanwhile, if you wish, you can start learning. We will give you the recording access immediately. So anyone, if you wish to pay by credit card, I'm sharing the link in group. You guys can also use GPay or PhonePe. For one program, 1,000. For both the programs, 2,000 rupees. Okay, Uday sir, not a problem. You guys can check the group I have sent you the link, payment link in group. I will also share recording of this webinar, PPT of this webinar in WhatsApp group. Pankaj sir, you can enroll today. Okay, we will start Hindi version also tomorrow. Okay, Ravinder sir, you can contact me. So again, guys, after enrollment, just ping me on this number. On WhatsApp, this is available on WhatsApp. I will confirm your payment at the same time. We'll give you the recording access immediately. Okay, we have received the payment from Mr. Harish. Thank you, sir, for enrolling in the program. I will share the recording access in some time. So Harish sir, I will request just ping on this number 9860770253. I will share the recording access. Okay with this. Thank you, Harish sir. You can leave now. I will send you the recording access. Guys, any doubt, any query, if you have, you can ask in chat box. Okay, sorry guys, I got disconnected. Any doubts, any queries, guys, you can ask. So fees for today's program: stock trading secret 1000, option writing secret 1000. So total fees is 2000. You can also join any one program if you wish. And you will also get 4 days index trading program as a bonus. So we have received the payment from Mr. Santosh. Thank you, sir, for enrolling. We will soon give you the recording access. Okay, Uday sir, just a small request. Okay, do share screenshot on this number 9860770253. Okay, we will confirm at the same time. Okay, so yes, sir, it's a confirmation. We have received the payment from you, Mr. Uday. So just ping us on this number 9860770253. I will share recording access for both the programs. You can see on screen it is there 9860770253. Just a minute. Thank you, Darshan sir, for taking out time joining this live session. Thank you very much. So you can check in the group. I will soon post recording and PPT. Yes, Uday sir, we have already confirmed your payment. You will get recording access in some time. Okay, so guys, I'm ending this meeting here. If anyone is still interested, I will request you guys can enroll. You can use GPay, PhonePe after enrollment. Just ping me on this number. This number is available on WhatsApp. I will confirm your payment at same time. You will get recording access for both the programs or any one program you are joining immediately. Tomorrow we are starting new batches 1 p.m. and 9 p.m. These are the timings available. So as per your requirement, you can select any one time. So once again, thank you guys for taking out time joining this live session. Thank you very much.